welcome to my Messy Blessed Life. My name is Denise, and if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Today I will be showing you guys how to make this yummy, well, it's not cooked yet, but you get the point. It's arroz con leche, and I will be walking you guys through on how to make this for your winter yummy treats or a feel-good treat. So step one is you want to measure and wash your white rice. I have 1 cup of rice in here that has already been washed, and I went ahead and added some water to my pot, and I've been letting my my rice soak for about an hour with 2 cinnamon sticks in it. And the reason why I let it soak is because I used to make arroz con leche and it would taste really good, but every now and then I would bite it and there would be a few pieces of hard rice, and this really helps soften your rice. So now I go ahead and turn on my stove. And I am going to go ahead and add some more water. So now that I added more water, I am going to continue to leave my 2 cinnamon sticks in my water, and I will let it boil, cook for about 30 minutes. So once my rice is fully cooked, I go ahead and add 1 can of evaporated milk into my pot. And I just give it a quick little stir to make sure it gets fully coated with the rice. I then add 1 can of leche lechera, and this is also what gives it that sweet, thick taste to your arroz con leche. And then after I do that, I go ahead and use that same empty leche lechera can, and I add 1 can of just regular milk. I then add half a cup of brown sugar. I have used white sugar, and I have to say that I definitely prefer the flavor when I use brown sugar, but if you only have white sugar or just regular sugar, then go ahead and use that. It still tastes good. Arroz con leche definitely gives me a memory of going over to my grandma Francisca's during the winter time, and she always had a pot of arroz con leche. And that's where my love for arroz con leche grew. So for some reason, I always love to FaceTime or talk to my mom whenever I am cooking something. I feel like I channel her super cooking powers. And of course, I need to talk to my baby girl. So I did totally forget to say that once you see that your water, when you only have your rice and your water, once you see that the cinnamon sticks started getting your water like a reddish brown color, and you start seeing your rice tender, that's when you go ahead and you start adding all of your milk products. So my rice is pretty much done. I am just going to continue stirring it because I don't want it to stick to the bottom. And depending on how you like your arroz con leche, you are either going to add more milk or you're not going to add as much milk as I did. I like, and my husband likes, arroz con leche with the juice. That's our favorite part. So it just depends on how sweet you like it, on how much sugar you're going to add. So this is all a, you know, per taste buds, per person type of thing. And this is the way we like it. And this is how it should come out. Your rice looking spongy. and I already tasted it with a separate spoon, and the rice is soft the way it needs to be. The taste is really good, not too sweet, not too on the plain side. If you like it sweet, like I said, you could go ahead and add more sugar, but I think that's it for us. And you want to continue on leaving your cinnamon sticks in until the very end. Arroz con leche is definitely one of my favorite Christmas winter treats to have. It's the only time of year that I actually have it. And I am so thankful that you guys continued to watch this till the very end. And I hope you guys love your arroz con leche if you make it following my ingredients, my steps. And go ahead and tag me if you did make it over on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram channel whenever I'm not posting or uploading here. I am staying very active over on my Instagram channel. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That's Matthew.
If you like this video, click on the comments down below. Bye bye for now.